everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Telegram not responding. To know how to fix Telegram not responding, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page here, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Telegram here, and you will enter. You will find the application of Telegram, and then in this page you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache. Then you can click here manage storage, and then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.